When multiplying terms that have the same base, we keep the base the same and we add the powers. 5 add 7 is 12. When dividing terms that have the same base, we keep the base the same and we subtract the powers. 9 subtract 2 is 7. When raising one power to another, we keep the base the same and we multiply our powers. 4 times 5 gives us 20. Anything to the power 0 is always equal to 1. 1 raised to any power is still just 1. And anything to the power 1 is just itself. When we've got a fraction, we apply the power to both the top and the bottom separately. Here we're going to have 3 squared on the top and 5 squared on the bottom. 3 squared is 3 multiplied by itself, and 5 squared is 5 multiplied by itself. 3 times 3 is 9, and 5 times 5 is 25. When we see a negative power, that means the reciprocal. In other words, turn it upside down. If it's not already a fraction, we know 5 is the same as 5 over 1. Hence, turning it upside down, we're going to have 1 over 5 squared. And we know 5 squared is 5 multiplied by itself. Hence, our final answer is 1 over 25.